Good afternoon, respected sir, ma'am, and all my peers. I'd like to thank two organizers for their kind invitation towards me to enabling me to participate in this wonderful forum. I'm Mahek Arnum. I'm from Alipur itself. Today I'm here to represent my view about very fascinating topic, which is why we focus on speaking only and why it's important for everyone. So I'd like to do in this presentation is firstly I'll give you a brief overview. Then I'll talk about the importance of English language. English. English is vital as a global communication bridge. It's a universal language. It connects people from diverse culture. It facilitates travel and international understanding. There's a quote of Nelson Mandela which tells that if you talk to a man in a language he understands, that goes to his head. But if you talk to a man in his own language, that goes to his heart. So, no one can deny the importance of English language in today's era as a global language. Every country, state, and locality has their own language, but people started learning English as second tongue. In some countries, English is used as mother tongue. English is used in business communication, education, science, and technology. It opens up opportunities for higher growth, education, and information, ultimately unlocking better career options and international academic environment. English is most important language in today's era. If you are not capable of speaking or understanding English, so you can't even enjoy your life freely because there's lots of word statements used in our everyday life in movies, games, and cartoons, even in grocery products, malls, and restaurants. Everywhere, English has become the most powerful and dominating language. English is a bridge language. As I mentioned earlier, it's a universal medium to serve as a common ground for diplomacy. It connects everyday interaction with non-native speakers. Frank Smith says, one language sets you in corridors for life, but two language opens every door along the way. So today's world is not limited in locality only. People move around all over the world. So if you are not capable of sharing your thoughts, feelings, and emotions with people, it means the limit of your language means the limit of your world. English is a medium to share your thoughts, feelings, and emotions with people across all over the world. If you are not able, then you can't live freely. There are some lines in Hindi which I can share you all will tell the importance of language. शब्द विचारों का गहना है जो उसे खूबसूरती के साथ सजाता है जो आपके विचारों को एक नई जान देता है भाषा के बंधन को तोड़कर आपके विचारों को शब्दों की कैद से आजाद कराता है so that you feel free, confident, and powerful. Because language is the key to the heart of people. I want to share my speaking journey with you all that how I feel confident now. Before joining GS Academy, I was unable to speak. I just understand, but I can't reply in English. When I try to reply in English, I feel nervous and the words are stuck in my tongue. Everything went topsy and turvy. My tongue are falters. But after joining GS Academy speaking batch, gradually I feel confident because there's daily presentation, GD, and conversation makes me confident. And Vipin sir correct me in every single mistake I made. He encouraged me. And daily conversation and interesting activities which is conducted in inside and outside the class which make me confident. Today I am giving my presentation in front of you all with full of confidence and without shyness. It all thanks goes to our Vipin sir and the institute which gives me so much love and support. I also want to share an incident which happens in my college in my semester exams. There was a lack of time during exam time. I was fill my roll number instead of my answer book number in attendance sheet, and a guy also made the same mistake, and sir scolded him. Then I realized that oh no, I also did the same mistake. Then I stand up and tell him that sir, I made a mistake. I write my roll number instead of my answer book number in my attendance sheet. Then he looked me for few seconds. Then in Hindi he replied that it's okay beta, I will recorrect that. Then he called to other sir and he come with that attendance sheet and with the whitener. Then I recorrect that. After sitting my bench, I realized that a guy was scolded with the same mistake, but I was not, because the way of my speaking and the language difference. He told him in Hindi and I speak in English. Then he was uh, happy with me. Then he didn't scold me. Then I realized how much power English can hold. A language can change everything. So the conclusion of my presentation is that learning English is crucial for our daily life and for better opportunities. It opens up opportunities for collaboration, communication, and personal growth. English is a key factor for enhancing and achieving goals. So, thank you everyone for listening me. I'm glad to make it all and thank you.